Introducing the Windstorm EX High Flow Air Duster, model A18563F and the full kit model A18563K. The Windstorm EX Flow delivers powerful air output for fast, efficient coverage across wide work areas. Maximum pressure, 170 psi. Air consumption, 2,590 liters per minute. Quarter-inch NPT air inlet, twice the standard airflow. A range of interchangeable nozzles gives you full control, including a 115mm rubber tip nozzle, high-flow nozzle, OSHA-compliant low-noise nozzle, and a short nozzle, plus 3 types of extension nozzles for extended reach. Adapters for 1/8 and quarter-inch connections make setup simple. Model F comes with a 6-inch extension tube. Model K includes 4.5, 6, and 14-inch extension tubes, plus all other nozzles, for a combined reach of up to 29 inches. Reach narrow spaces and clean with precision. Easily manage airflow with the control knob above the handle. The ergonomic, non-slip handle reduces fatigue, and the durable aluminum body with premium matte finish is built to last. Model F includes the air gun, extension nozzle, and adapter. Model K includes every nozzle for full flexibility plus a low-profile tray to keep it all organized in your tool chest. Clean smarter, work sharper, with FIRSTINFO tools.